What's up, West Creek?
I'm John Cornett.
And I'm Nevaeh Darr, and welcome back to Coyote Entertainment Television.
To reel you guys back in, we have interviews from students here at the Creek about spring break.
I'm excited for spring break. Let's check it out.
Here at West Creek High School, we ask students some questions about the upcoming spring break. Are you guys doing out of state for spring break? If so, where are you going?
We're going to Miami.
Why is that?
We're gonna go visit my dad because, well, I miss my dad and I want to.
Are you going out of state for spring break? If so, where are you going?
I am going to Atlanta, Georgia.
Why?
I'm doing a college tour there.
What college?
Savannah College of Art and Design.
That sounds fun.
You going out of state for spring break, and if so, where?
I don't think I'm going out of state for spring break, but honestly, I won't know until like a day in. Are you going out of state for spring break? If so, where?
No.
You're not? Why not?
I don't know. I'm just not going anywhere.
You plan to go out of state for spring break?
No, we were supposed to, but things change, and at least there's stuff to do here, so I shouldn't be that bored.
Do you have any plans to go out of state for spring break?
Yes. I'm going to Atlanta. Okay, yeah.
What are you going to do there?
It's my mom's birthday, so I really don't know, but yeah.
You go to Miami, so are you excited for the cold weather to be over?
Absolutely.
Of course, get us out of the cold weather. This is
Anymore. I like winter, but once it stretches into like February, I'm over it. I'm over it.
I hate the cold weather.
It's fun. It's very cool. Are you excited for the cold weather to be over?
Yes, I like the warm temperatures, but not bugs. So I guess I like the cold because there's no bugs, but I like the hot weather too.
Especially mosquitoes. Ugh.
Okay. So are you excited for this cold weather to be ending?
Yeah, I want to wear more short sleeve shirts. I like wearing shorts, and they put more colorful clothing in thrift stores when it stops being cold outside.
Okay.
Play the game, all type of stuff. Just do me.
Go outside and run. And exercise.
What are you going to do for spring break?
I haven't been watching as many movies lately, so I want to catch up on my movies and hopefully go outside a bit more and ride my bike.
Okay. Are you excited for this 9 weeks to be ending?
Yeah, I'm ready to graduate, start my life, start making money.
Are you excited to be ending this 9 weeks?
Of course.
Yes.
Get us out of here.
I need a long break again.
We need a refresher.
I'm ready to wear shorts now. The high today was 78, so it's hot enough.
I'm excited to go to Florida. I love the beach.
Now let's see what AV3 highlighted for CET.
Health science program has really sparked an interest for me because it showed me what healthcare is. It's not just about like fighting a cold or fighting germs. It's about saving other people's lives, and I have learned so many things such as the different job opportunities available, which has really opened my eyes to what I can do after this program.
Participation in this pathway has allowed me to obtain my CPR certification, and if you continue on to the 4th level class, you also have the opportunity to obtain your patient care technician certification, which allows you to work in the hospital as soon as you graduate, of course if you pass the exam.
It has allowed me to have immediate employment after high school, demonstrate commitment and preparedness, and create a foundation for future education.
The clinical experiences in the patient care technician course has provided me with the opportunity to practice my therapeutic communication, which I feel like is very beneficial, especially if you're wanting to go into healthcare, because communication is crucial.
In the PCT program, I have got to experience doing clinicals at the elementary schools, and it's allowed me to see a lot of young students in a vulnerable position and get to calm them down and show them that being in a medical environment isn't such a scary thing. And I think that's just a good first step into the medical world. I've also got to experience seeing the Lifelight come to West Creek High School, and I think that was really cool, getting to see another side of the healthcare world that a lot of people don't really think about.
The HOSA program has really enhanced my experiences because I learned a bunch of different things, such as how you can work in a group in a healthcare setting and how to work in a big, diverse group of people. It has also showed me like how to help other people in need, which has really helped me work harder in this program.
In the PCT program, there's 92 skills, and the two most hard ones are the EKG, which is monitoring heart, and phlebotomy, and I think that's my favorite because it definitely has showed me my interest into medical science and going into more of the laboratory side of the medical world.
It brings the skills to life and allows me to repeat them as many times as needed so I can improve my confidence in them.
That was an amazing video, AV3.
Now, we'll send it off to our reporter, Madison. Take it away.
What's up, Coyotes? We have some exciting news this week. In celebration of Youth Art Month, the Public Library will be featuring student artwork throughout the entire month of March. This is a great opportunity to showcase student work from across the district. In other news, prom season is getting closer. The first pre-sale for seniors is from March 9th to the 11th. Tickets will be going on sale for $30 Monday next week, and the regular sale of April 20th to the 22nd and 22nd to the 29th for $50. So students who are planning to attend, be sure to get your tickets. March 10th is our talent show. Auditions are from 2:30 to 4:30 and are located in the theater. We also have some upcoming games for next week. March 10th is boys soccer, West Creek versus Sycamore. They also have another game that week on the 12th against White House. The boys and the girls track and field has a JV meet on March 11th against Kenwood. Girls softball has a reach match against Clarksville Academy on March 9th, along with another game that next day against Stewart County. Girls flag has their season opener against Chapel Hill Christian Academy on March 9th and another game at Creekwood on the 11th. Stay tuned for more spring sports news. That's all we have today for West Creek. Thank you, Coyotes. Thanks for tuning in. It's Madisyn Evans.
Thank you for watching Coyote Entertainment Television.
I'm Cornett.
And I'm Nevaeh Darr. And we'll see you next week, Coyotes.